Both our sons were at St Benedict's all the way through from age 5 to 18, junior school and senior school. They're both now at university. My eldest is at Birmingham University studying philosophy, and my youngest is at Oxford studying music. So they both enjoyed and benefited from really good teaching, which enabled them to fulfill their academic potential. And my youngest son particularly benefited from the fantastic music provision at the school. He was lucky enough to be awarded a choral scholarship to Oxford, and that's because he was encouraged to sing all the way through his time at St Benedict's, right from his first term at in the junior school when he was asked to sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, and all the way through the Abbey Choir and the wonderful choirs in the senior school and all the other really great musical performance opportunities. So he really benefited from that. They both made really good friends at St Benedict's, and they still see a lot of their Benny's friends in the holidays when they come home from university. So those were my thoughts, and I texted the boys this week to ask them to sum up their experience of school, and their replies were very simple, but I thought they were quite interesting. And one of them said it was a nice, gentle environment to develop in, and the other one said, I learnt how to be a good person. And I think that says it all, really. Really, it's really strong ethos and very good pastoral care. And in fact, those were the two specific reasons why we chose St Benedict's when they were little. And I think those two things really make the school special.